Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. Friends, in this video, we are finding area of the triangle if they are given three vertices. Let the point, first vertices is the point 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, and second one is 3 comma minus 4, and third vertices is minus 2 comma 0. So now you see friends, here A, B, C is there. Only it is showing label. So now what I want means I will show you the value also. How you can show, you see, go for the settings. In the settings you go for the label, here name value. This is one method. And another method is also there. You see, press B button. Here you have A, press A. So it shows name and value. Next press C button. Now here go for A and A, like it gives a name and value. So now you have a value. A is 1 comma 2, B 3 comma minus 4, C minus 2 comma 0. Okay. Now what you require? Area of the triangle. So first you draw the line segments of A, B, C, or else you can go for directly polygon. I am going for the polygon here. A, B, C, be the triangle. Is it or not? Friends, you can also change the color. You see, I can change the color and I can do like this also. Okay, I can take any one of them. Your interest, based on your interest, you can take. Now what I want actually, area of the triangle. How you can find out area of the triangle in the Geogebra means, go for this button, press this button, here area, we required area of the triangle. You see, it shows area of the triangle is 11. It shows here, area of the triangle is, what is area of the triangle? 11. One more problem also I will do. Okay, for you I will do. So friends, you see T1 is nothing but area of the triangle of ABC here. This is 11. One more problem also we will do. Okay, one moment please. Next, so area of the triangle means, again what you require? 3 points of the 3 vertices of the triangle you require. So first consider the point A is 9 comma minus 7. Next, let us consider the point B is 2 comma 4. Next, consider the point C, another point. 3 points we require now to find the area of the triangle. Triangle is nothing but it is having a 3 vertices. Yes or no? Now here you have a triangle ABC. Here you see friends, I have shown only the value. Which values I have shown here? It is appearing BC. Wherever A is what actually 9 comma minus 7. 9 is here and minus 7 means downside. So what you can do means, do like this. Do like this and move one side. Move. Then you can find. You see, like this we can move. Clear for everyone? Right. If you want more, one more also, you can minimize like this. Now you see friends, here what you have only A only it is there. What is the value of A means? What you have to do? Go for this. Okay, here you have an option. Now I am going for the settings. If I want to know the value of A, here press name and value. That's it. It gives the value of A. Similarly, if you want a B value, go for settings. In the settings, again go for label. In the label you have a name and value. Okay. Next it shows 2 comma 0. Next go for settings. In that again go for a label, name and value. Now you see A, B, C values you have. See, one moment please. Again go for settings. Now here show name and value. That's it. Okay, C also you have. Now what we have to do? We have to draw the polygon. Okay. Joining up these 3 points, you see friends. Let A, B, C and this one. Okay, now joined or not? A, B, C, all the points. 3 vertices are came in the triangle. Friends, you see here AB length is we are denoting with C. This is, you can say C is nothing but the length of the segment AB. Length of the segment AB. Next B, small b is nothing but length of the segment AC. BC is nothing but length of the segment, small a is nothing but length of a segment BC. Okay, here it is shown. A is segment of BC. Next B is segment of CA. Next C is segment of AB. Now what you require to find? Area of the triangle. So press this button. In that you have options, area. Now in between you press, that's it. Select a polygon and in between if you press it, then you will get the area of triangle. What is the area of triangle here? 25. Like this we can find out the area of the triangle by using GeoGebra. Is it clear for everyone? Right. Thank you for watching this video.